Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help your get start. Exercise your wrists and back. This is very important and you should never skip it. Sitting for long periods of time drawing is a very fun thing to do. Unfortunately, it's not very good for your back or wrists. Exercise your wrist and back so you don't get physical injuries when drawing. So remember to do some wrist exercises so you don't get any injury. And walk a bit around the house or neighborhood from time to time so you won't mess up your posture. This can have major repercussions later down the line, so thank me later. Simple warm-ups before starting to draw, and always take breaks every hour. Take care of yourself, so you can keep drawing for longer. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.